In this video, I'm going to learn how to do a mean and standard deviation of a frequency distribution. Here I have a frequency distribution in StatCrunch. To find it, I'm going to go to Stat, select Summary Stats, and then I'm going to go to Grouped Binned Data. My bins are going to be my classes that I have over here. I'm going to select var1. And then my counts are going to be my frequencies. In this case, it's going to be var2. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to select mean. And then I'm also going to select standard deviation by hitting control. The midpoints are defined by the average of the limits, consecutive limits. That's when we do the midpoint of a frequency distribution, when we do that later on. Go ahead and compute. And we have the mean and the standard deviation here. In one of our homework problems, let's look at question number 7. And you can use this when we have your homework problems here. We can go ahead and click this little icon right here, and that will open it up in StatCrunch. And here, increase the little bit here. We'll go to Stat. We're going to go to Summary Stats, Grouped Bin Data. My bins are going to be in low temperature here. My counts are going to be in my frequency. And I can find the mean. I'm also going to find the standard deviation. We hit compute. And here we have the mean and the standard deviation given to us. Now when we look at our options that we have here, the midpoints are defined by the average of the limits or consecutive lower limits. This would be if you didn't have bins here. So right now we're defining the midpoints as the average between 40 and 44. If you can select the consecutive lower limits, you would find the mean by doing the average of 40 and 45. I would encourage you just to leave it as the default of limits for our purposes. Okay, thank you very much, and that is all.